Yeah, it's so interesting that you ask that. So the basis of his work is touch for health.
Mm-hmm.
And so sometimes he would do some touch for health techniques um, to clear things or release emotion, but most often, most of the work was a conversation with muscle testing. It was his process and his belief is the awareness that will clear the trauma and the pain. And when you have emotion that you're suppressing, it causes tension in the body.
Mm.
And so I had all this tension, which is why I was hurting my whole life because I was always suppressing things. And what he taught me was he would tell me this. He'd say, Jenny, stop hurting yourself.
Mm.
And I'd be like, Dr. Warren, I'm not. And he'd say, yeah, you are. Like,
Mm.
nobody's doing this to you except you. Like, you're hurting yourself. And I would think, well, this is kind of rude. And he would say, stop, like you're clenching your back. And I would touch it and I'd be like, it doesn't feel clenched. It doesn't feel like I'm doing anything. Like I'd try to wiggle around and be like, I don't feel like I'm doing anything. Like, I don't understand what you're talking about. But it was this tension in my mind causing tension in my body. And so it was the understanding. A lot of what helped me was the understanding that my mind was causing my physical pain.
Mm.
And in the past, I didn't understand that. I'd be talking to a psychologist about my marriage, and he would say, well, why don't you go get your back fixed so you can sit in a chair, and then we'll deal with your marriage. We didn't understand that the two were connected.
Mm.
And so that's what it was, the awareness. And so what I started to notice is I was super successful in real estate. But what happened was I was almost too successful in real estate. I had these 4 little kids and I had a phone that rang off the hook 24/7. And it was so stressful. I was trying to do the 4 little kids and trying to run the real estate company. And it was fun for a while, and then it wasn't. And then it was just like this daily grind, and I wanted to get out of it. But I had created this lifestyle. And so I thought, I can't get out of it. I mean, what I'd have to like give up my homes and all my things, like I can't give it up. And so this doctor, he would tell me, well, why not? So sell your house, sell all your houses. What? No. I mean, he really pushed me to listen to myself. He's like, life is not just about grinding to make money to live a lifestyle. Like, what if you did something that you loved? What? No, I'm too busy forcing myself to do this because it makes money. He's like, that doesn't cause a healthy body.
Yeah.
So if you want to feel better, you're going to have to make some major changes in your life.